In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open 3 charts in TradingView. The process is straightforward, but it's important to understand that not all features are available to free users. TradingView operates on a subscription-based model, and the ability to open multiple charts at once is part of their enhanced plans. Let's dive into what these plans offer. For those using the Essential or Pro plan, you'll have the ability to display up to 2 charts per tab. If you're on the Plus plan, that number jumps to 4 charts per tab. The Premium plan is even more robust, allowing for up to 8 charts. If you're someone who needs even more, higher-tier plans can accommodate up to 16 charts per tab. It's essential to check which plan you currently subscribe to or consider upgrading if multiple chart layouts are appealing to you. With that understanding in mind, let's move forward to choosing a multi-chart layout. Begin by opening any chart layout within TradingView. Once you're on the chart page, look to the top toolbar. There, you'll find an option represented by a grid icon called the Select Layout button. Click on this icon, and you'll see a variety of layout options presenting you with different ways to arrange multiple charts. To open 3 charts, you'll want to choose one of the layouts specifically designed for this number of charts. You might select a 3-panel row if you prefer your charts to be side by side, horizontally lined up across your screen. Alternatively, a 2+1 stack is available if you like the idea of seeing 2 charts on top of each other with a third chart either beside or below them. Keep in mind that the availability of these layouts will vary depending on the plan you're subscribed to. By utilizing these layout features, you can track multiple financial instruments or different timeframes simultaneously, which can be incredibly beneficial for day traders or anyone who wants a broader market perspective. Experiment with different layout options to see which ones best suit your trading strategy or analysis needs. Remember, the ability to use multiple charts is one of TradingView's valuable features offered to paying customers. So, if this capability is crucial for your trading, reviewing the various plan options could be a worthwhile investment. If you have any questions or need further clarification on the membership tiers or chart features, it's a good idea to explore TradingView's support resources or reach out to their customer service. This concludes our guide on opening 3 charts within TradingView. Enjoy leveraging these tools to enhance your trading experience. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your charting capabilities.